Hello, and welcome to this step-by-step guide on booking a flight using the Delta Airlines app on your Android phone. In this video, you'll learn how to search for flights, select your travel dates, compare seat types, and complete your booking all directly from the Delta app with ease. First, open the Delta Airlines app on your Android phone. Next, tap on Book at the bottom of the screen. Then, choose your departure and arrival cities. After that, select either round trip or one way based on your travel needs. Now, enter your departure date and return date if applicable. Then, click on Find Flights. At this point, you'll see all available flights for your selected route and date. Compare different flight options. You will notice varying prices depending on the seat class: Main Cabin, Comfort Plus, and First Class. To view the seat map, tap on the Seats button. Here, you can see which seats are available. That's it. Booking with the Delta app is quick and simple. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful travel tutorials and app guides.